Good morning, students. Today we will continue our reading of chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Computer Hardware Components. Today we will study ROM. ROM stands for Read Only Memory. It is a non-volatile memory in which the information is stored permanently even when there is a power failure or the system is powered off. It is meant for permanent storage as the data can neither be modified nor erased easily. So it is that type of memory from which we can only read information but cannot write on it. That means it is meant for permanent storage and only used for reading purposes. It contains programs that are needed to start a PC, which is essential for boot up. Boot up means starting of your system. It also performs major input-output tasks and hold program instructions, basic data management. The benefit of using ROM is that data and program reside permanently in main memory and does not require to be loaded from secondary storage devices such as CD, pen drive, floppy disk, DVD. There are three types of ROM. First is PROM, second EPROM, and third EEPROM. Firstly, we start with PROM. PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. That means it can be programmed just once. The data can only be written on it only once. It cannot be changed or modified. It is a non-volatile memory. It retains the data even when there is a power failure. Second is erasable, programmable, read-only memory. The name indicates that this type of memory is read and written electronically. Erasable means you can reprogram it or rewrite it again and again as compared to PROM. To retain the data in memory, the power source is not needed. It is also non-volatile in nature. It is a type of non-volatile memory integrated in microcontrollers for smart cards. Its main advantage is that it can be reprogrammed about 1,000 times. After that, it may become unreliable. That means you can reprogram it, rewrite it 1,000 times. So, it is very useful if you want to use it in microcontrollers, as you can reprogram it again and again to restore the data on the systems. To write on an EPROM, the storage cells must retain in the same initial state, that is 0. The packaged chip is shown to the ultraviolet radiations in order to erase the storage cells prior to performing the write operation. Before applying the write operation, you want to rewrite it, you need to restore it to the original state, that is 0, so that the new value, new data can easily be rewritten on it. It is erasable and reprogrammable memory, but only 1,000 times, not more than that. After that, it becomes unreliable. Unreliable means unuseful. You cannot use it for further reprogramming advantage. Now, our next type is EEPROM. Its full form is Electronically Erasable, Programmable, Read-Only Memory. It stores small amount of data, but it allows individual bytes to be erased and reprogrammed. It is again a non-volatile ROM chip that is used for storing small amount of data. It can be programmed and erased by applying special programming signals. It has a limited life for erasing and reprogramming, but nowadays in modern EEPROMs there are facility that we can apply a million of operations in reprogramming the EEPROMs. Originally it is limited to only single bit operation, and that makes it quite slow as it can only apply reprogramming on a single bit. That takes a lot of time in processing or in reprogramming the data, large amount of data. It is used only for the relatively small amount of data. However, in modern EEPROM, it allows multiple byte page operations. That means it becomes little bit faster than the original EEPROMs. Example is audio video disk. Audio video disk is that in which you can burn the songs on a CD. Burn means when you want to copy your data on the CD, or when you want to copy anything, any song, any film, any software on the CD, on the blank CD, that is known as the burning of CD. Copying is related to burning of CD. The disk contents cannot be changed. That means songs that are burned on a CD once, it cannot be changed. You cannot delete it and rewrite it. ROM chips are not only used in computer but also used in microwave oven and washing machine. ROM chip can be used in microwave oven and washing machine to store all the basic data and instructions that are required to start up or manage these systems easily. They do not need to restore it from the external storage devices. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.